Welcome back to Spell and Math Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to be working with regular polygons. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, please remember to like, share, and or subscribe. What we're tasked to do here is we're going to find the measure of each interior angle and the sum of the interior angles. If you've seen the previous tutorials, you've noticed that we've already worked with these polygons here, these regular polygons: triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, and octagon. Each one of these is a polygon with a special name. This is a 3-gon, 4-gon, 5-gon, 6-gon, 7-gon, and then there's others that are named. But let's say we had something that was 23 sides. It would be called a 23-gon because n here represents the number of sides. So let's do a 23-gon where we need to find the measure of each angle and the sum of the interior angles. Well, there's an expression that we use, and that expression is n minus 2 times 180. In this case, n is 23. So we're going to put the 23 minus 2 times 180, and then 23 minus 2 is 21, and then we're going to multiply that 21 by 180. I'm going to use a calculator here just to speed up our calculation. So 21 times 180. And here we see that the sum of the interior angles turns out to be 3,780 degrees. And this here's our sum. And then for us to find each individual angle, we're going to take that 3,780 and we're going to divide that by 23 because that's the number of sides in our polygon. So here, back to the calculator, divide it by 23. And then here we see that each angle is approximately, and let's make this here approximately 164, and we'll say in 3/10 degrees for each one of the angles inside of a 23-gon. All right, that sums up this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and or subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for watching.